How to check order history on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, go to the My Order section from the homepage. This section contains a complete list of all the products you have purchased on Uzum Market. To access it, make sure you are logged in with the account used for your purchases. Once inside My Orders, you can see details like order numbers, product name, purchase dates, and order status. Click on any order to view full details, including delivery information, payment method, and tracking updates if applicable. Reviewing your order history helps you track past purchases, manage returns or complaints, and stay organized with your shopping activity. It also makes it easy to reorder your favorite items. Now you know how to check order history on Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.